Hey, I'm Mindy Canis. This is the Daily Rage. Let's review the FOMC 123 trade because that is coming up tomorrow. It's one of my favorite days to trade, and it's a very, very simple setup. If you've never done it before, this is how it goes. There's three parts to the move. What we're looking for is what is the initial reaction. So we're going to pretend that this morning's open was the same time as the announcement. So that happens tomorrow. It's at noon my time, Mountain Time Zone. So make sure you coordinate that to wherever you are in the world. If we are looking at this as an example of the initial move, in this case, that would be down very clearly. So down one. And then the way that the setup plays out is we are looking for move two to be the opposite of move one. So in this particular case, move one went down. We are looking for it to go up as move two. So again, in this particular situation, this candle, the second candle, would have been up two. We came down, we went up, and then move three, this is where we want to get in on the action. The move that you're looking for move three is a continuation of whatever the first move was, okay? So if we start down, it would go down, up, down, and you would want to go short on move three. If it goes up first, we're going to look for it to pull back as move two, in other words, down, move two, and then look for up as move three, and we would want to go long on move three. So in this particular case, this would have worked out really, really well. And same way as the open range breakout did today, we went down one, up two, down three. Now, the only difference from a regular open range breakout, in this case, like right here, was our open range. I went short, I made my money, I turned it off because it's Fed week. And while we did push quite a bit lower, like this is what's generally normal in Fed week. It's just choppy, like not a ton of follow through. So I don't want any part of that. But the difference is with FOMC 123 is it's not based on like one candle, one candle, one candle. Like this could have gone down, 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 move one. Okay. And then let's just pretend we went up, 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 up for maybe like 10 minutes. Who knows? And then we go down. We would want to short on move three. So it could be in one single candle. It could be further along. And everybody says, well, how long do I wait for each move? There isn't an answer to that. Sometimes it's 2 minutes, as in one single candle. Sometimes it's 10 minutes or more. So it's just about what is the price action doing. If we went up and then down and then up real quick, cool. This could have been 10 minutes. This could be 2 minutes. This could be however long it's going to be. That is how the FOMC plays out. Good luck tomorrow. I'm Mindy Canis. Thanks so much for watching.